This is going exceptionally slow. It seems to be under great pressure. I wonder what kind of loco it is. Well, there you have it. I honestly didn't know that it was a 66, but since they've got rid of the Class 60s, which have got a far greater tractive effort, we can see how much it was struggling there. That was flat out. I still say it was a criminal waste to scrap all them Class 60s instead of maintaining them, but hey ho, that's what happens in Britain. Just like this Drax. There's a laugh, isn't it? The environmentally friendly way forward. Import wood pellets from around the world, burn them, and then transport them across the country. But at least it keeps this line open. If it wasn't for this traffic, it'd probably close this line and end up being a housing estate or whatever. Northern Powerhouse. Could run after that and jump on the back.